Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant error code 57, Vanguard not initialized. Alright, let's begin. This error usually appears when there's an issue with the Vanguard anti-cheat system. To fix it, first open the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. In the command window, type SC space delete space VGC and press Enter. After that, type SC space delete space VGK and hit Enter again. Once you see the success messages, close the window. Next, open File Explorer and go to your C drive. Open the Program Files folder, find the Riot Vanguard folder, and delete it. Once deleted, open the Riot client and log into your account. Click on Valorant and press Update. This reinstalls Vanguard. Restart your computer afterward. So that's basically how you can fix Valorant error code 57. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.